your medicine for the winter. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make homemade ginger shots that will most likely keep you going through the winter. And we're starting right off by nothing else than the ginger. Start by peeling the whole ginger with a teaspoon or however you're used to peeling a ginger. Then grate it. Into a boiler, add in water, honey, and squeeze half a lemon. Bring your water, honey, and lemon mix up to boiling point. Once reached, remove from the heat. Pour your liquid mix over the ginger and let it be until it has cooled completely down. When it's cold, strain all the liquid from the ginger into something else. I chose a measuring mug since it's easier to pour from. Then pour it all into a plastic bottle and you can keep it in your refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. This ginger shot is super easy to make, and if you want to be sick-free during this winter, I highly recommend trying out this recipe. And it's a great replacement for coffee in the morning because this shot will give you the boost you need. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!